आपोहिष्टामयापवस्थानवोर्जे ददातनामहेरणाय चक्षुषे यौवशिवतमोरतः तस्य भाजयते हनः शुद्धोदकस्नानं समर्पयामि स्नानानन्तरं वस्त्रार्थमुपवीतार्थम् आभरणार्थम् अक्षरान् समर्पयामि मीर्पस्पु एकदन्ताय नमः कपिलाय नमः गजकर्णकाय नमः लंबोदराय नमः पत्रपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि विनायकपूजयन्ति अष्टाङ्गं दुग्गलं दोपं सुगन्धं सुमनोहरम् आग्नेयः सर्वदेवानां धूपोऽयं प्रोक्ष्या परिशिच्य देवडिकी कृते प्राणाय स्वाहा अपानाय स्वाहा व्यानाय स्वाहा उदानाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा गणपतये स्वाहा प्रताम्बूलं निवेदयामि नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमदपतये नमस्ते स्थलंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशने जगदताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् बोलो गजानन महाराज की जय नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇంకా అందరూ అలాగే దండం పెట్టుకోండమ్మా
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ओं गं गणपतये नमो नमः 16 सार्లు అలా చెప్పండి ఓం గం గణపతయే నమః नया पूजया गणपति सुप्रीता सुप्रसन्ना भरता भवन्तो महागणपतये नमः यदा स्थानं प्रतिष्ठापयामि शोभनार्थे क्षेमाय पुनरागमनाय च शतमानं भवति सदाय पुरुषश्रेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठिति महागणपति अनुग्रहप्रसादेन समस्तकार्येषु निर्विघ्नता सिद्धिरस्तु कृपासमुद्रं सुमुखं त्रिनेत्रं जटाधरं पार्वतीवामभागं सदाशिवं रुद्रमनन्तरूपं चिदम्बरेशं हृदि भावयामि ओं श्री चिदम्बरेश्वराय नमः आवाहयामि आसनं समर्पयामि चिदम्बरेश्वराय नमः पादारविन्दयोः पाद्यं समर्पयामि अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि स्नानं समर्पयामि स्नानानन्तरम् आचमनीयं समर्पयामि కొద్దిగా పసుపు కుంకుమ ఈ కలశం మీద పూజ చేసేసాను हरिद्राचूर्णं समर्पयामि कुङ्कुमचूर्णं समर्पयामि अक्षतान् समर्पयामि पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि पुष्पैः पूजयामि पिల్లల దగ్గర ఉంది सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते हरिद्राज सौभाग्यमंगलद्रव्याणि समर्पयामि ओम नमः शिवाय इन chant in your heart and heart ओम चिदंबरेश्वराय नमः ओम शंभवे नमः ओम नटेशाय नमः नटनप्रियाय नमः अपस्मारहराय नमः ओम हंसाय नमः ओम नृत्यराजाय नमः ओम सभापतये नमः पुण्डरीकपराधीशाय नमः ओम श्रीमद्हेमकपेशाय नमः ओम शिवाय नमः चिदंबरमनवे नमः ओम मंत्रमूर्तये नमः हरिप्रियाय नमः ओम द्वादशान्तस्थिताय नमः नृत्ताय नमः नृत्यमूर्तये नमः परात्पराय नमः ओम परानन्दाय नमः ओम परञ्ज्योतिये नमः ओम आनन्दाय नमः ओम विबुधेश्वराय नमः ओम परप्रकाशाय नमः नृत्ताङ्गाय नमः नृत्यपादाय नमः ओम त्रिलोचनाय नमः ओम व्याघ्रपादप्रियाय नमः मंत्रराजाय नमः तिल्वमनेश्वराय नमः ओम हराय नमः ओम रत्नसभानाथाय नमः ओम पतञ्जलिवरप्रदाय नमः ओम ओंकाराय नमः ओम मंत्रविग्रहाय नमः ओम शंकराय नमः ओम चंद्रशेखराय नमः ओम नीलकंठाय नमः ओम ललाटाक्षाय नमः वन्यास्ताय नमः महेश्वराय नमः आनंदतांडवाय नमः श्वेताय नमः गंगाधराय नमः जलाधराय नमः ओम चक्रेशाय नमः ओम कुंचितपादाय नमः श्रीचक्रांगाय नमः अभयप्रदाय नमः निरूपरपादाब्जाय नमः ओम त्रिपुरवल्लभेश्वराय नमः ओम बीजास्ताय नमः ओम चक्रनाथाय नमः ओम बिन्दुत्रिकोणवासकाय नमः ओम पांचभौतिकदेहांगाय नमः ओम परमानंदतांडवाय नमः ओम भुजङ्गभूषणाय नमः वां मनोहराय पञ्चदशाक्षराय नमः विश्वेश्वराय नमः विरूपाक्षाय नमः वां विश्वातीताय नमः जगद्गुरुवे नमः वां त्रिचत्वारिंशत्कोणाङ्गाय नमः वां प्रभाचक्रेश्वराय नमः वां प्रभवे नमः वां नवावरणचक्रेश्वराय नमः वां नवचक्रेश्वरी प्रियाय नमः वां नाट्येश्वराय नमः सभानाथाय नमः वां सिंहवर्मप्रभूजिताय नमः वां भीमाय नमः वां क्लीङ्कारनायकाय नमः ईङ्काररुद्राय नमः त्रिशिवाय नमः तत्त्वाधीशाय नमः निरञ्जनाय नमः वां रामाय नमः अनन्ताय नमः तत्त्वमूर्तये नमः रुद्राय नमः कालान्तकाय नमः व्याय नमः वां अव्यक्ताय नमः वां त्रिगुणाय नमः वां चित्रकाशाय नमः सोङ्कारसोमाय नमः तत्त्वज्ञाय नमः घोराय नमः दक्षाध्वरान्तकाय नमः कामारये नमः गजचम्मर्त्रे नमः वीरभद्राय नमः व्याघ्रचर्माम्बरधराय नमः सदाशिवाय नमः भिक्षाटनाय नमः वां वां कंकालभैरवाय नमः वां नृसिंहगर्भहरणाय नमः वां भद्रकालीमदान्तकाय नमः निर्विकल्पाय नमः निराकाराय नमः निर्मलाङ्गाय नमः निरामयाय नमः ब्रह्मविष्णुप्रियाय नमः आनन्दनटेशाय नमः भक्तवत्सलाय नमः वां श्रीमत्सभानाथाय नमः शिवगामी मनोहराय नमः वां चिदम्बरेश्वराय नमः नानाविधपरिमलपत्रपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि धूपमाग्रापयामि भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् చేతిలో తీసుకుని ఆ ప్లేట్ తీసుకుని భూర్భువస్వః తత్సవితుర్వరేణ్యం భర్గో దేవस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ఓం ప్రాణాయ స్వాహా ప్రాణాయ స్వాహా వ్యానాయ స్వాహా ఉదానాయ స్వాహా समानाय स्वाहा चिदम्बरेश्वराय स्वाहा यथाभागं फलवर्गं निवेदयामि क्षीरान्नं निवेदयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि नमस्तेऽस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् चिदम्बरेश्वराय नमः आनन्दमङ्गलनीराजनं दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि नमः पार्वतीपतये हर हर महादेव बोलो शंकर भगवान की जय। कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे शिवगामी अंबिका समेत चिदम्बरेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः आत्मप्रदक्षिण नमस्काराणि समर्पयामि।
Good evening, everyone. I thank you, everyone, for taking your time and come over here. I hope you'll enjoy the program and bless our kids. And I would like to introduce Mrs. Sandhya Sashigaru, our anchor, and she will take over the stage. Sashigaru.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here today as we encourage and celebrate the Kuchipudi Rangapravesam of Lakshmi Sahasra and Lakshmi Kundana. The Rangapravesam today is going to be in the Kuchipudi style of dancing. Kuchipudi is one of the 9 classical dance forms of India. It originated in the village of Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh. It evolved from dance drama tradition or Natya Mela. Traditionally, it was performed by only male artists. The solo repertoire evolved in modern times and is performed by female artists. Staying true to its roots, Kuchipudi is graceful and sensual. It is characterized by fast rhythmic movements, intricate footwork, and sculpturistic postures. Like all classical dance forms, Kuchipudi follows the 3 major categories of performances: Nritya, Nritta, Natya. Kuchipudi was thrust into the national stage in the 1950s. Vedantam, Vempati, and Chinta families of Kuchipudi village were the pioneers of modern solo repertoire. The latter half of the 20th century was dominated by the Kuchipudi school of Dr. Vempati Chinnasantyam, whose efforts to further solidify the modern repertoire earned him multiple accolades, including the Padma Bhushan. The first performance of the evening is Nandi. A traditional Kuchipudi concert begins with a vocal prayer, Amba Paraku, Devi Paraku, offered to Bala Tripura Sundari, the deity of Kuchipudi village, and Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, seeking their blessings for a successful presentation. The second performance, Sri Vinayaka Pancharatnam, will follow. Lord Ganesha's Vinayaka Pancharatnam is a renowned stotram composed by Sri Adi Sankaracharya. The performers will express the significance of each verse while dancing in adoration of Lord Ganesha. The Vinayaka Pancharatnam's lyrics consists of 5 stanzas praising Lord Ganesha. The 5 stanzas are considered as the 5 jewels or ratnas, and hence the name Vinayaka Pancharatna. Set to Raga Malika, Adi in Tisra Nadai, and choreographed by Srimati Indira Reddy Garu. Before we begin, a gentle reminder about the house rules: no flash photography or videography. If you need to leave the auditorium, please do so in between performances so as not to disturb the artists or the audiences. No food or drinks are allowed in the auditorium. Without further ado, let's get ready to welcome the artists for the first performance of the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Sahasra and Kundana.
गिरिजार्णव पूर्णेन्दु समाचित कलानिधिं अपास्त विघ्नता मिश्रो
ತರಿಗಿಡದಾಗ ತಕ್ಕಿನಂಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಂಗಿಡದಾಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದಾಗ ತಕ್ಕಿನಂಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಂಗಿಡದಾಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದಾಗ ತಕ್ಕಿನಂಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಂಗಿಡದಾಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದಾಗ ತಲಂಗದಂ ತತ್ತಲಂಗದಂ ತತ್ತಲಂಗದಂ ತಲಂಗದಂ ತತ್ತಲಂಗದಂ ತತ್ತಲಂಗದಂ ತಲಂಗದಂ ತತ್ತಲಂಗದಂ ತತ್ತಲಂಗದಂ
मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्ति साधकं कढाधरावकं शकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्ति साधकं कढाधरावकं शकं विलासि लोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशि देवदैत्यकं नतासुरासुराशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशि देवदैत्यकं नतासुरासुराशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरातिभेकरं नवोदितापभास्वरं नमः सुरारिनिच्छरं न तादिकापदूर्धरं न तेतरातिभेकरं नवोदितापभास्वरं नमः सुरारिनिच्छरं न तादिकापदूर्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवत्रमक्षरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवत्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं तपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं
The next performance of the evening is Ananda Tandavam. Ananda Tandavam is a composition of Dr. C. Narayana Reddy. The dance is an adoration of Lord Shiva's magnificent dancing nature and form, Nataraj. Ananda Tandavam is a dance that is said to be the root of the creation, preservation, and of dissolution cycles. Lord Shiva is shown as blissful in the Ananda Tandavam. This Ananda Tandava of Shiva represented by the 5 activities or Panchakriyas of Srishti, that is creation, Sthiti, preservation, Samhara, destruction, Tirobhava, illusion, and Anugraha, salvation. Magnificently choreographed by Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam Garu, the dancers enumerate Lord Shiva's fierce yet soft-hearted nature to symbolize the power he wields. Set to Ragam Ragamalika and Aditalam. Please welcome.
తద్ధీం తిరగడదాం తద్ధీం తిరగడదాం తిరగడదు తద్ధిత్తకిటచం తద్గిణత ధిత్తకిటచం తద్గిణత తకిటచం తద్గిణత తద్ధింగిణతం తద్గిణత 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 తద్ధింగిణతం తద్గిణత 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 తద్ధింగిణతం తద్గిణత 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 తద్ధిత్తకిటచం తద్ధింగిణత ధిత్తకిటచం తద్ధింగిణత తకిటచం తద్ధింగిణత తద్ధింగిణతం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధింగిణతం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధింగిణతం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధిం తిరగడదాం తద్ధిత్తకిటచం తద్ధింగిణత ధిత్తకిటచం తద్ధింగిణత తకిటచం తద్ధింగిణత తద్ధింగిణతం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తద్ధింగిణతం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తద్ధింగిణతం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం తక్కదిక్కు కడదికి తిరగడదాం
చిరునగవులు చిలుకంగ సిగలోన పగ
ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿನ ತಂಗ ತದಿಗಿಣದಂ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ಗಿಡದ ದರಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿನ ದಂಗದ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿನ ತಂಗದ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿನ ತಂಗ ತದಿಗಿಣದಂ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ಗಿಡದ ದರಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿನ ತಂಗದ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿನ ತಂಗದ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿನ ತಂಗ ತದಿಗಿಣದಂ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ದಿಂಗಿಣದ ಗಿಡದ ದರಗಿಡದಂ
ಪ್ರಣವನಾದಂ ಪ್ರಾಣೋಕಾಗ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಮೂಲೋ ತಾನೋಕಾದಂ ಪ್ರಾಣೋಕಾಗ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಮೂಲೋ ತಾನೋಕಾಗ ಪ್ರಣವನಾದಂ ಪ್ರಾಣೋಕಾಗ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಮೂಲೋ
ಧಣದ ದಣತ ದಣತ್ತ ಝಣು ಝಣುತೆ ಝಣುತ್ತದಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಾರೆ ತದಣ ಧಾಣ ಧಾಣ ತಜೇಣು ಜೇಣು ಜೇಣು ತದಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಾರೆ ತದಾಣ ತಜೇಣು ತದಿಮಿ ತದತ್ತೋಂ ತರಗಡದೋಂ ತತ್ತೋಂ ತರಗಡದೋಂ ತತ್ತೋಂ ತರಗಡದೋಂ
ಧಿಮಿ 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 ಢಮರುಧ್ವಾನము ధిక్కిటములు మార్మోయగా
జగ 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 తగిట తగిట తగద తరగడదగద
కిణ 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 మణి నూపురములు ఝణకారములు సలుపగా
జగ 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 తగిట తగిట తగద తరగడదగద
విరించి తాళము వేయగా
తాం 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 తరగడదగద
హరిమురదము మ్రోయింపగా
తాం 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 తరగడదగద
ప్రమధులాడగా అప్సరలు పాడగా ఆడగా
తరగడదగది
పాడగా
తరగడదగది
ఆడగా పాడగా ఆడగా పాడగా
దదణ దణత చెణు దణత చెణు దాం దదణత చెణు దణత చెణు దదణ దణత చెణు దణత చెణు దాం దదణత చెణు దణత చెణు ప్లాం తక్కడదగ దరగడద తద్ది తాంగడదగ దరగడద ప్లాం తక్కడదగ దరగడద ప్లాం జం ప్లాం తక్కడదగ దరగడద తద్ది తాంగడదగ దరగడద ప్లాం తక్కడదగ దరగడద ప్లాం జం తక్కడదగ దరగడద ప్లాం తక్కడదగ దరగడద ప్లాం తక్కడదగ దరగడద తాంగడదగ దరగడద తాంగడదగ దరగడద దరగడద తాంగడదగ దరగడద తాంగడదగ దరగడద దరగడద తాంగడదగ దరగడద తాంగడదగ దరగడద 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 దీం దరగడద దీం దరగడద
ఆనంద తాండవమాడే ఆనంద తాండవమాడే శివుడు ఆనందలయుడు చిదంబర నిలయుడు ఆనందలయుడు చిదంబర నిలయుడు ఆనంద తాండవం ఆడే ఆనంద తాండవం ఆడే
That was a beautiful performance. It takes a lot to put together a concert like this. And one very important of this, one very important ingredient of this Ranga Pravesham is the orchestra. I take this opportunity to introduce the musicians of our orchestra troupe. Our singer of the evening today is K.R. Sudharani from Vijayawada. She has behind her a career spanning more than a decade, which includes singing in around 1,500 programs. Her music education has been under the tutelage of the famous violinist Sri Annavarapu Ramaswamy, Sri Ampolu Muralakrishna, and Sri Pemmaraju Surya Rao. Besides classical singing, she has excelled in other forms of singing like devotional, film songs, and dance ballets. She has traveled all over India and the world, giving many concerts and collecting awards along the way. She has to her credit over 100 albums. She has been felicitated with the Ugadi Puraskar by the Department of Culture Government of AP, Hyderabad. She has also received the Raga Madhuri, Gana Lahari, Rotary Yuva Puraskar, and Yuva Puraskars are some of the few awards she has received. She currently anchors the Doordarshan Saptagiri channel for different programs while she pursues her MA in music from Annamalai University. Ladies and gentlemen, K.R. Sudharani. I introduce you now to Srimati Sandhya Anand, an All India radio graded professional violinist and vocalist, having exposure to traditional Carnatic music genre for over 20 years. She has performed over 2,000 concerts in India and abroad, having learnt and nurtured the divine art under eminent gurus Srimati Suguna Vardachari, Sri T.V. Gopalakrishnan, Sri S. Krishna Iyer, Sri R. Swaminathan, and Sri K.S. Suryanan. Her vocal and violin performances at several prestigious sabhas in Chennai and USA including the Kanchi Kamakoti Mutt and Sringeri Sharada Mutt, have won her several awards and accolades. A rank holder with post-graduation in music and Sanskrit, she regularly featured in Air India, Doordarshan, and other TV channels. She is the founder-director of Samskrita Sangeetam, School of Music, where she imparts vocal and violin training to aspiring students. Her students have won prizes in many national level competitions, including Indo-American festivals and Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Srimati Sandhya Anand. Amridangist today. Ethirajan Ramanujam. He has been learning Mridangam, a South Indian percussion instrument, since 1992. Ethirajan had the initial training from Ramanathapuram Sri M.N. Kandaswamy Pillai. Later, he had the initial and advanced training from Sri Shivashankara Reddy. Currently, he has the versatile training from Sangeeta Kalanidhi Sri T.K. Murthy and Sri Setalapati B. Shivaraman. Ethirajan has performed in more than 2,000 concerts all over India and abroad. Ethirajan also has the privilege of representing the art of Mridangam and the state of Minnesota during India's Prime Minister's visit to US, Howdy Modi, in Houston, Texas in September 2019. Ethirajan also has undergone versatile training in performing for the Nama Sankirtanam. He has to his credit of performing in multi-day festivals at ease and is one of the few Mridangists who possesses high-caliber styles in Carnatic, Bharatanatyam, and Nama Sankirtanam styles. Ethirajan is currently a senior software engineer at Best Buy. Put your hands together for Ethirajan Ramanujam. Vishweshwar is one of our youngest flautists to receive an All India Radio Grade A as a Carnatic flute artist. Originally from Chennai, he currently lives in New Jersey. Since he started performing at the age of 9, he has performed around 1,000 concerts in reputed sabhas, temples, weddings in the US and in India in the past 15 years. He has frequently collaborated with leading Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Mohiniyattam, and Kathak dancers, notably Madurai Muralidharan and Bijayani Satyapati. He was awarded the Best Instrumentalist's Prize at the age of 14 by the Madras Music Academy for his performance during the Spirit of Youth concert series. He has received several other titles and awards, including Venugana Ratnam, Venu Ilamamani, Vamshi Kaladhara, Venkural Ilaval, Bala Kalaratna, and is a recipient of the Indian government's Cultural Scholarship. Vishweshwar teaches in-person flute classes to more than 20 students in the New Jersey, New York area. He goes to Cornell University and is currently working as a data scientist. Please put your hands together for Vishweshwar. As we get ready for the next performance, let me tell you a little about one of our stars of this evening before her next performance, Lakshmi Sahasrakarri. Sahasra is currently a junior at Robbinsville High School. She has been learning Kuchipudi under her guru, Srimati Indira Reddy Garu, for 11 years at the Center of Kuchipudi Dance Academy. Over the years, Sahasra has performed in numerous conventions and programs such as TFAS, ATA, and other fundraising events. She has earned many awards at competitions for her wonderful performances. Sahasra is passionate about dance and enjoys learning a variety of dance forms such as Bollywood, pop, and contemporary, as her passion for dance grows. Along with dance, Sahasra is an experienced artist and loves to draw realistic portraits. She gained recognition from her artwork as she continues to widen her specialties in the art spectrum. She is also a part of the Robbinsville High School marching band, specifically the Color Guard, and has taken part in it her whole high school career. Sahasra is an active participant in several school activities, clubs, and community service programs. After her Ranga Pravesham, Sahasra plans on continuing to grow her dance skills in the form of Kuchipudi. The song she will be performing to is Okapari Kokapari. Okapari Kokapari is a song from the Annamacharya Sankirtanalu, and it is one of the 32,000 songs written in honor of Lord Venkateshwara. It is a Shrungara Kirtana that depicts Lord Venkateshwara's and goddess Alamelu Manga's enchanting beauty. The devotee follows Lord Venkateshwara and goddess Alamelu Manga in this item. The dancer will play different roles in order to depict the god and the goddess by using a variety of expressions. Set to Ragam Karahara Priya, Talam Adi, and choreographed by Dr. Shobha Naidu Garu. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back on stage again, Sahasra.
ಜಗದೇಕ ಪತಿ ಮೇನ ಜಲ್ಲಿನ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಧೂಳಿ గోగబరి వయ్యారమై మేరయ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ మేరయ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ మేన సింగారముగాను మేరయ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ మేన సింగారముగాను తరచైన సోములు ధరించగా మేరయ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ మేన సింగారముగాను తరచైన సోములు ధరించగా మేరయ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ మేన సింగారముగాను తరచైన సోములు ధరించగా మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుపు మేఘము వోలె మెరసినట్లుండే మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుపు మేఘము వోలె మెరసినట్లుండే మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుగోబోడి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుపు మేఘము వోలె మెరసినట్లుండే 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 గోకబరి గోకబరి వయ్యారమై మొగమున కళల మొలచినట్లుండే గోకబరి గోకబరి వయ్యారమై మొగమున కళల మొలచినట్లుండే గోకబరి గోకబరి వయ్యారమై మొగమున కళలు 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 మొలచినట్లుండే గోకబరి గోకబరి వయ్యారమై వయ్యారమై వయ్యారమై
The next performance is by Lakshmi Kundanakari. Kundana is a 13-year-old girl who has been learning Kuchipudi under Guru Srimati Indira Sri Ram Reddy for 7 years at the Center of Kuchipudi Dance School. Over the years, Kundana has performed in numerous conventions and programs such as TFAS, ATA, and more. She has also participated in many competitions and has won prizes recognizing her excellence in dance. Other than dancing, Kundana loves to play the flute and is in the Robbinsville High School marching band. After her Rangapravesham, Kundana plans to continue learning dance and expand her knowledge in the art form. The song she will be performing to is Chakkani Talliki. Chakkani Talliki is a Annamacharya Kirtana. The poet here shows admiration and adulation to Mother Alamelu Manga, praising her appearance and gestures as charming, her sweet lips and her looks as enchanting. Her taunting words and moody gestures to her beloved husband, Lord Venkateshwara, are delightful. Set to Ragam, Padi Talam, Adi, let's welcome Kundana. This song is choreographed by Srimati Indira Reddy Garu.
Kanaga jam tari kitataga, detta kanaga jam tari kitataga, tari, 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 takundari kitataga, detta kanaga jam tari kitataga, detta kanaga jam tari kitataga, tari, 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 takundari kitataga, detta kanaga jam tari kitataga, detta kanaga jam tari kitataga, detta, detta, da, kitataga dirigdom, detta kanaga jam tari kitataga, detta kanaga jam tari kitataga, detta, detta. Kitadom, detta ganaga jam tari kitataga, detta ganaga jam tari kitataga, detta, kitadom.
చక్కని తల్లికి జాంబుబళ తన చక్కెర మోవికి జాంబుబళ 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 చక్కని తల్లికి జాంబుబళ
తదిద్ధీతి తగ తజం జం తగ తరిగడదోం 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 తదిద్ధీతి తగ తజం జం తగ తరిగడదోం 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 తదిద్ధీతి తగ తరిగడ తరిగడదోం తజం జం తగ తరిగడ తరిగడ తరిగడదోం 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 తదిగినత
పులికెడి మురిపెపు కుంభరింపు తన సళుపు చూపులకు చాంగుబళ 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 పలుకుల సొలపుల పతితో కసరడి చలముల అనుకకు చాంగుబళ పలుకుల సొలపుల పతితో కసరడి చలముల అనుకకు చాంగుబళ చక్కని తల్లికి చాంగుబళ
తదిద్ధీతి తగ తజం జం తగ తదిద్ధీతి తగ దిం 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 తదిద్ధీతి తగ తజం జం తగ తదిద్ధీతి తగ దిం 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 తదిద్ధీతి తగ జం దిం దిం తజం జం తగ దిం 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 తదిద్ధీతి తగ తజం జం తగ జం తగ జం తగ జం తగ
నెరతో పదికిల నదిలో చుదన సన్ను మెరుగులకు చాంగుబళ కిన్నెరతో పదికిల నదిలో చుదన సన్ను మెరుగులకు చాంగుబళ ఉన్నతి పతిపై నొరగినిలో చుదన సందపు నడిమికి చాంగుబళ ఉన్నతి పతిపై నొరగినిలో చుదన సందపు నడిమికి చాంగుబళ చక్కని చందపు ముచ్చపు సరుల హారముల చందన గంధికి చాంగుబడ విందై వెంకట విభుదన చిలకన సంధి దండలకు చాంగుబడ విందై వెంకట విభుదన చిలకన సంధి దండలకు చాంగుబడ చక్కని తల్లికి చాంగుబడ తన చక్కర మోగికి చాంగుబడ చక్కని తల్లికి చాంగుబడ తన చక్కర మోగికి చాంగుబడ చక్కని తల్లికి చాంగుబడ భళ 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 భళ.
I now invite a few of the Curry sisters' friends to come say a few words.
Hi everyone, my name is Shrika, and when it comes to Sahasra, I really don't even know where to start. I guess we started day one when I met her. Let's be honest, it went from her not even making eye contact with me at lunch to then 3 hours later fangirling over my Eiffel Tower phone case. And then she became my favorite person in the world. And honestly, 4 years later, nothing has changed. From Kanna Nidharinshra at the first Springside Ugadi and to watching you now, all I can say is that I'm so proud of you. Thank you for letting me be a part of your beautiful journey and letting everyone watch it, even though I'm the slowest learner on the planet and it takes you literally 8 days to teach me a dance. And thank you for showing me and everybody else who is here what art really looks like. We're all so proud of you, and you did amazing. You're beautiful inside and out, and I love you.
Hi guys, my name is Nikhila and I've known Sahasra and Kundana for about 10 years. We all started dancing together, and through all these years I've known Sahasra especially, I only saw that she was dedicated to one thing in her life, and that was dance. Whenever I see her dance, it's just so mesmerizing. And for this day, I know she worked so hard, and I can easily say that I'm so grateful that I got to see and walk with her through this Ranga Pravesham journey. And I can't wait to stand beside her and watch as she achieves her goals. So congratulations, Sahasra and Kundana, and I hope you guys are as proud of yourself as I am of you.
My name is Himashri, and I met Sahasra in 8th grade. And since the time that I've met her, she's inspired me every single day because she's just so perfect and amazing. She's one of the most passionate people I know, and she has so many directed interests, like in different forms of dance, art, TV shows, and that she likes, and more. And not only does she have these interests, but she goes after everything she likes. She works hard and dedicates everything to it. And I'm so proud that she's here performing today something she loves, which is dance, and can share her talent with everyone to admire. So congratulations.
Hello, and my name's Kriti, and I met Sahasra a couple years ago, but it wasn't until a year ago that we got really close. I am proud of Sahasra and Kundana for their dedication and commitment to dance. They're filled with talent and compassion. I'm glad to know girls like them, let alone having them as friends in my life. Thank you both for your hard work, and we are proud of whatever you have accomplished.
Hi, I'm Avantika. I've known Sahasra since 6th or 7th grade, and she's really talented in everything she does, like art, color guard, and dance. And she's really talented and inspires me to do better. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Simskriti. So first thing is that I want to say that I'm so proud of Sahasra. She has put in hours and hours into this, and I admire how dedicated she is. Second, I'm really happy to call her my friend because she makes every day so much better when she's with me. And third, I can't wait to see her in the future because she's going to go to really, really great places. Hi, my name is Sanjana, and I'm one of Sahasra's friends. Sahasra and I have shared so many fun memories over the years, and I'm so excited for her and her sister today. Sahasra and Kundana are both so hardworking and really diligent. They both are so talented, and they always strive for perfection. Sahasra is also an amazing artist. I am so proud of both of them, and I can't wait for what the future holds. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. The next performance is Jaya Jaya Durge. Jaya Jaya Durge is one of the compositions from the magnum opus Sri Krishna Leela Tarangini, which is a Sanskrit opera describing the life of the Hindu god Krishna. It is authored by Sri Narayana Tirtha. This Tarangam depicts the beauty of Durga Devi, who caters to the needs of her disciples that seek her protection. The dancers will also dance on the rims of a brass plate with sophisticated rhythmic moves. The dancers narrate goddess Durga's battle with the demon Mahishasura, resulting in the final defeat of the demon. Set to Ragam Shanmukha Priya and Talam Adi, this dance is choreographed by Srimati Indira Reddy Garu.
जय जय दुर्गे जित वैरी
ದಿಂಗೆನ್ನಂ ತತಕದೆತ್ತಾ ಕತಜಂ ತರಿತೈ ಕಿಡದಗದೈ ಕಿಡದಗದ ದಿಂಗೆನ್ನಂ ತತದೆತ್ತಾ ಕತಜಂ ತರಿತಾ ಕಿಡದಗದಗದೆತ್ತಾ ಕತಜಂ ತರಿತೈ ಕಿಡದಗದೆತ್ತಾ ಕತಜಂ ತರಿತಾ ಕದೆತ್ತಾ ಕತಜಂ ತರಿತಾ ದೆತ್ತಾ ಕಿಡದಗದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ದೆತ್ತಾ ಕಿಡದಗದರಿಗಿಡದಂ 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 ಕಿಡದಗದರಿಗಿಡದಂ
ಸುಂದರದರ ಚರಣಾರವಿಂದೆ ಸುಂದರದರ ಚರಣಾರವಿಂದೆ ಸುಖ ಪರಿಪಾಲಿತ ಲೋಕ ಬೃಂದೆ 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 ನಂದ ಸುಮದಾದಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಭಜೆ ನಂದ ಸುನಂದಾದಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಭಜೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಪರಾನಂದೆ 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 ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಚಿತವೈರಿ ವರ್ಗೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಚಿತವೈರಿ ವರ್ಗೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತವೈರಿ 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 ವರ್ಗೆ ದುರ್ಗೆ ದುರ್ಗೆ ದುರ್ಗೆ
ಕಾಂತ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ತದ್ದಣ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದತ್ತಾಂಗಡದಾಗ ದರಗಡದಾಗ ಭೀಮ್ ಕಾಂತ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ತದ್ದಣ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದತ್ತಾಂಗಡದಾಗ ದರಗಡದಾಗ ಭೀಮ್ ಕಾಂತ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ತದ್ದಣ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಾಂದ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದತ್ತಾಂಗಡದಾಗ ದರಗಡದಾಗ ಭೀಮ್ ತದ್ದಣ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಾಂದ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಾಂದ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ತದ್ದಣ ದಣತ ಚೆನು ದಣತ ಚೆನು ತರಗಿಡ ತರಗಿಡ ತರಗಿಡದೋಂ ತರಗಿಡ ತರಗಿಡ ತರಗಿಡದೋಂ ತರಗಿಡ ತರಗಿಡ ತರಗಿಡದೋಂ ತರಗಿಡ ತರಗಿಡದೋಂ 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 ತಾಂಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ದಾಂಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ದಾಂಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ದಾಂಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ದಾಂಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ದಾಂಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ದರಗಡೆ ಭೀಮ್
ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ 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 ಸರಸಮಣಿ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ
ತಧೀಂ 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 ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತಧೀಂ ತಧೀಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತಧೀಂ ತಧೀಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತಧೀಂ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತಧೀಂ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತಧೀಂ 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 ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತಾ 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 ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ
ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೋಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮದಿಗದ ಕಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ
ತದ್ದೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜನು ತಜನು ತಕ್ಕ ತಜನು ತದ್ದೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜನು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತದ್ದೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜನು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಧೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜನು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡ್ದಂ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ 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 ದಣತ ಜೇನು ದಣತ ಜೇನು ದಾಂ ದಣತ ಜೇನು ದಣತ ಜೇನು ದಣತ ಜೇನು ದಣತ ಜೇನು ದಾಂ ದಣತ ಜೇನು ದಣತ ಜೇನು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದಾಂಗಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಿಗೆ ದಾಂಗಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಿಗೆ ದಾಂಗಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಿಗೆ ದಚ್ಚಂ ತದಿಗಿಣದ ದತ್ತ ತಜಂ ತದಿಗಿಣದ ತಜಂ ತದಿಗಿಣದ 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 ದತ್ತ ತಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡದ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ದತ್ತ ತಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ದತ್ತ ತಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ದತ್ತ ತಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡದಿಗೆ ದರಿಗಿಡದಂ
ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾರದೆ ಸಮಗಿಗತ ಕಿಲ ಸಂಗದೆ ನರಕಿಂದರವರ ಸುರಬಹುಗೆ ನರಕಿಂದರವರ ಸುರಬಹುಗೆ ಸಚಿದಾನಂದಲದಿಗೆ ಆಲೋಲ ಮಣಿಮಯ ತಾಟಂಕ ಧನಿಗೆ ಅನುದಯಲಯ ಸಚಿದಾನಂದಲದಿಗೆ ಆಲೋಲ ಮಣಿಮಯ ತಾಟಂಕ ಧನಿಗೆ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪಾದಿ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪಾದಿ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೀರ್ಥ ಭವಿತ ಫಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪಾದಿ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೀರ್ಥ ಭವಿತ ಫಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪಾದಿ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೀರ್ಥ ಭವಿತ ಫಲಕ್ಕೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತ ವೈರಿವರ್ಗೆ ವಿಯದ ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತ ವೈರಿವರ್ಗೆ ವಿಯದ ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತ ವೈರಿವರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತ ವೈರಿವರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತ ವೈರಿವರ್ಗೆ
Wasn't that amazing? Please give it up again for the Curry sisters. After that breathtaking, high energy, goose flush inducing performance, I think we need a break. So we're going to take a 10-minute break and we'll be back right away.